welcome to Apex Motorhome, where luxury meets freedom. If you love futuristic RVs, insane interiors, and next-level road life, hit subscribe right now and join the Apex family.
Stop scrolling right now because what you're looking at is not a luxury RV. This is a rolling two-level mansion built to dominate every highway in America. Meet the 2026 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece that looks like it drove straight out of a billionaire dream. And trust me, once those massive doors open, you are never going to look at traditional motorhomes the same way again. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where we explore the biggest, boldest, and most luxurious homes on wheels ever created. Today, we are stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping luxury machines ever built, and every inch of this giant mobile palace is designed to impress. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its deep premium finish, polished metallic accents, glowing LED lighting, and aggressive road presence. The massive panoramic windows stretch across both floors, while the futuristic lighting design makes this motorhome shine like a luxury yacht at night. Everywhere this machine goes, people stop, stare, and pull out their phones. Before we even enter the living space, take a look inside the futuristic driving cabin. The Kenworth W900 cockpit feels more like the command center of a private jet than a traditional truck. Premium leather captain seats, glowing digital displays, panoramic visibility, ambient lighting, advanced navigation systems, and intelligent driving assistance technology create a powerful luxury experience behind the wheel. Every control is perfectly placed, giving the driver complete confidence while cruising across massive American highways. But the real magic begins once we step inside. The first floor feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Bright ambient lighting fills the entire space, reflecting beautifully off the glossy marble flooring and ultra-modern walls. Directly ahead, you are welcomed into an enormous lounge area featuring oversized reclining sofas, a giant cinematic television wall, premium surround sound, and futuristic mood lighting that transforms the atmosphere instantly. Right beside the lounge sits a fully loaded luxury kitchen with glowing countertops, smart appliances, hidden storage systems, and premium finishes everywhere you look. From gourmet dinners to late-night coffee stops beside the mountains, this kitchen is designed for full-time luxury living on the road. Toward the rear section, there is an elegant master bedroom featuring a massive king-sized bed, panoramic glass windows, soft ceiling lighting, and custom luxury furniture. Across from the bed sits another large entertainment display, creating the perfect private retreat after long highway adventures. Next to the bedroom, the luxury bathroom feels straight out of a five-star hotel. Bright modern lighting, marble sinks, futuristic mirrors, a rainfall shower, and premium detailing create a relaxing spa atmosphere while traveling across America. And this level still has more surprises. There is a dedicated massage and wellness room designed for total relaxation, complete with heated massage chairs, calming LED lighting, and luxury finishes. Nearby, the private medication room keeps medical supplies perfectly organized with advanced storage systems and smart monitoring technology. You also get a modern office area with high-speed connectivity, futuristic desk lighting, multiple displays, and comfortable executive seating, allowing business owners and creators to work from anywhere in the country without sacrificing comfort. Hidden behind sleek custom panels is a full laundry area with premium washer and dryer units, making long-distance travel feel effortless and practical. Now let's head upstairs. The second floor completely changes the experience. This level is designed for ultimate luxury entertainment and breathtaking views. Another massive lounge area stretches across the upper level with designer furniture, glowing ceiling lights, glass walls, and a futuristic open atmosphere that feels unreal. A second luxury bedroom upstairs gives guests complete privacy, while another modern bathroom continues the same bright premium design language seen throughout the motorhome. The upper kitchen and dining space creates the perfect location for romantic evenings overlooking mountains, beaches, and glowing city skylines. And speaking of romance, imagine this scene. A newly married couple parks this giant mansion beside a breathtaking ocean destination somewhere along the American coastline. The evening sky turns golden while soft waves crash nearby. They step outside with glasses of wine, relaxing beside the glowing motorhome as the entire vehicle reflects beautifully against the water. Suddenly, the massive Sovereign slowly moves onto a floating sea platform, creating a stunning yacht-style experience that feels almost impossible to believe. And the craziest part is that nearly everything inside this motorhome can be controlled through an advanced smart technology system. Lighting, climate control, entertainment, security systems, hidden compartments, and even room settings can all be managed instantly through touchscreen panels and mobile devices. This is not just transportation anymore. This is freedom, luxury, technology, and adventure combined into one unstoppable masterpiece. From hidden ceiling speakers to automated privacy glass, every detail inside this rolling mansion was engineered to deliver comfort, excitement, elegance, and unforgettable memories every day. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome truly feels like the future of luxury living on wheels, and honestly, this might be one of the greatest motorhomes ever created. If you enjoyed this unbelievable tour, make sure you subscribe to Apex Motorhome for more insane luxury RVs, futuristic motorhomes, and next-level mobile mansions. Because trust me, the future of luxury travel is only getting bigger from here.